Hi, this is Patrick from Serve the Home. Today we're going to race two quad Intel Xeon E7 machines, one from Dell, one from Supermicro, just to see how fast do they boot. Xeon E7 systems run mission critical applications. As a result, downtime is very expensive. One of the biggest reasons that these servers actually get rebooted or have downtime is simply because you have OS patches, you have other reasons that you need to take the servers down for OS maintenance. Given that reliability is a major selling point for these systems, we decided to show how long do they take to boot. You might think that systems with over 140 cores will boot very quickly, but that's not the case. In fact, your laptop is probably going to boot much faster than these systems. The Dell PowerEdge system that we are using has quad Intel Xeon E7 8890V4 processors. These give the system a total of 96 cores and 192 threads. Our Supermicro system is using slightly older V3 processors that give it a total of 72 cores and 144 threads. Both systems have 512 gigabytes of RAM, which is not a lot for these systems, but it's what we had on hand in the lab. Okay, so here's what we did. We logged on to both the Dell and Supermicro remote management interfaces. We hit power on both of them and started the Windows stopwatch feature so we could time how long these boot. Since this is going to take a while, we're going to speed up to 8 times speed, just so you don't have to watch paint dry. What you can see is that these systems initialize memory very slowly, and as a result, we wait quite a while for 512 gigs of memory to initialize. Did want to pause here and just show that if you do have option ROMs turned on for your network controllers, that does slow down the process quite a bit. Same with HBAs and other cards you may have. We configured the systems as identically as we could, including adding Mellanox 40 gig Ethernet cards. What you can see here is that after that initialization process, the Dell system starts initializing its Lifecycle controller. The Lifecycle controller helps manage the commissioning and decommissioning of machines, inventory, and etc. You can turn it off, but it's a very useful feature. The Supermicro system has booted because it does not have that process. And what you're going to see is after that system information gets collected, the Dell system will boot. And here we're going into CentOS 7. We did fresh installs on both machines, so this is the first boot and rather quick on both of them using the same SSDs. The sheer complexity of these systems mean that they take quite a while to reboot. It's a good thing that they don't need to reboot often, but you will experience downtime if you do need to reset the server due to OS maintenance or other patching. It took our test systems between 4.5 and about 5.5 minutes to boot. If you ever wanted to boast that your laptop was faster than a giant server, this is the test to show that off with. In real world terms, quarterly reboots will actually give you 20 minutes of downtime each year. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more cool videos.